Hello friends, my name is Emma. If you are searching how to reset Fire TV stick to factory settings, so your search ends here. After watching this video, you can easily reset your Fire TV stick only in some easy steps. All steps you can see on your screen. Let's get started. Press the home button on your Fire TV stick remote. Then open settings. Next, select My Fire TV. This will also be labeled as device or system if you have an older Fire TV stick. Then scroll down and select Reset to Factory Defaults. Enter your PIN if you're asked for it. Finally, click Reset. You will then be notified that the device is resetting to factory defaults. Wait a few minutes for it to finish and don't unplug the device during the whole process. If the power supply gets cut off while the process is ongoing, you may have to start the whole process all over again. And you are done. Only by using this method you can easily reset your Fire TV stick. Hope you liked this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to follow our YouTube channel.